Hey everyone, this is Preeti Ghosh and welcome back to my YouTube channel which is all about lifestyle and education. And here I am with another video regarding easy explanation of your textbooks. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe it right now and stay tuned. So why wait? Let's get started. This is part 2 of chapter 2, that is parts of plants. In the last class we discussed about stem and the functions of stem. Today we will learn about leaves. So as we know that leaves are of green color. Leaves are in green color. This is due to the presence of a pigment called chlorophyll. Now let us see the parts of a leaf. As you can see, the flat and broad part of the leaf, this edges are called leaf blade. Now there is a middle portion of this leaf and this is called main vein. What does these veins do? These veins carry food and water to and from the stem. So the part of the leaf that is attached or which holds the leaf to the stem is called stalk. Okay, so these are the parts of leaf: main vein, leaf blade, stalk. Now there is a tiny hole. There are many tiny air holes through which carbon dioxide present in the air gets into the leaf. Now these tiny air holes are called stomata, through which exchange of gases takes place. Okay. Now there is one more thing that we should know, that is leaves are called kitchen of the plant. Now why is this so? This is because leaves prepare food for plants. लीफ क्या करते हैं? प्लांट के लिए खाना बनाते हैं. इसीलिए जहाँ पे खाना बनता है हम क्या जानते हैं? उसे किचन कहते हैं. तो इसीलिए लीव्स को प्लांट का किचन कहा जाता है. नाउ द फूड प्रिपेयर्ड इज कॉल्ड द शुगर. तो किस फॉर्म में फूड प्रिपेयर होता है? इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ शुगर एंड द फूड इज स्टोर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ starch. Okay, and this process of making food is called photosynthesis. Okay, so the process by which plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight with the help of water and carbon dioxide is called photosynthesis. Okay, now during this process plant gives off oxygen which is then utilized by us, by animals. Okay, and it takes carbon dioxide to make their own food. Okay, now let us see the function of leaves. So leaves prepare food for plants. We also eat leaves of some plants as vegetables. Those leaves are called edible leaves. Okay, so what are the examples of edible leaves? Examples are spinach, then lettuce, cabbage. These are the examples of edible leaves. Now let us discuss about flowers. Flower is the most beautiful part of plant. Initially it appears as a bird, as you can see in your textbooks. So initially it appears as a bird, then it turns into flower. Now this flower produces fruits which ultimately has few seeds inside it which turns into a new plant. So what is the main function of flower? The main function of flower is to produce fruit and ultimately the seeds which again change into the new plant. Okay, now there is a sweet smelling substance that is present in few flowers. Some flowers have sweet smelling substance and they are called nectar. I repeat the definition. Some flowers have a sweet smelling substance called nectar. Okay. Now let us discuss about fruits and seeds. As we got to know that fruit is formed from the flower. Now in some fruits there is only one seed and in some there are many seeds. In some fruits where there is only one seed, for example mango has only one seeds, whereas in case of papaya and watermelon there are many seeds. Okay, so here as you can see, picture is given for some fruits with their seeds. Now let us see and discuss about seed. Now seeds contain a baby plant inside them, and when this seed or the baby plant inside the seed get proper amount of air, water and sunlight, the baby plant grows from the seed. Now what is this process called? This process is called germination. So what is the definition of germination? The process by which a seed grows into a baby plant is called germination. जिस प्रोसेस से एक बेबी प्लांट ग्रो करता है एक सीड में से, उस प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं germination. As you can see in this picture, the journey of a seed to a tree. Okay. Now let us know about the functions of fruits and seeds. So fruits are good for our health and seeds store food in them. There are few seeds that we eat and those seeds are called edible seeds. Examples: wheat, gram, corn, rice. These are the few examples of edible seeds. Okay. So students, this was all about the explanation of this chapter, that is parts of plant. But before ending this video, let us see what we have learned today. So here are few of the points that I have jotted down, that what we learned in today's video. We learned about chlorophyll. We learned why leaves are called kitchen of the plant. Then we learned about what is photosynthesis, what is germination. We also learned that fruits have seeds which grow into new plants, and these fruits have came from flowers. So flowers turn into fruits and fruits have seeds which grow into new plants. So in the next video we will discuss the question answers, exercise question answers of this chapter. So stay tuned and thank you.
So that's all for today's video. Do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon.